Cool. I guess this is part two of the live because the first part I was on YouTube Studio and I did not do it properly. Uh, I think you guys learning Rust, done the let's see. Cool. Uh, because I also wanted this capture. Let's see if I have this.
Usually have some trade-offs. There are low-level languages like C or C++, which are designed to achieve speed and control at the cost of
Cool.
memory safety. On the other hand, we have
Let's
languages
learn
like
Rust.
Python or JavaScript, which are high-level languages, which are usually more safer but are not very effective from power and speed perspectives. With Rust, we have the best of both the worlds. More specifically, it is a system programming language like C or C++, which means that it has speed and control, but at the same time has safety features just like high-level languages. This makes Rust so clearly stand out among all other.
So Rust has safety features like high level languages and system control. Let me just check a few things. Okay, yeah, so the thumbnail got updated. That's good. Um,
Programming languages. The course contains broad array of topics that will take you from beginner to expert step by step. Let us briefly go over the course curriculum. This course is quite comprehensive, not just in terms of hours, but also in terms of the topics we cover. This is a bird eye view of the curriculum. We start with some introductory material on installation, setup, and how to use the course material. Following this, we have three core sections around which the course is structured. The first section is for beginners to start up their journey with Rust. The section covers basic programming concepts, including the concept of ownership, which lies in the very heart of Rust programming language. Building on the knowledge, the next section covers the core features of the Rust programming language and include an in-depth study of the topics such as generics, traits, closures, iterators, smart pointers, and lifetimes. The advanced section contains material related to threads, async code, sizedness, and macros. The main course ends here. However, since we will continuously update the course, the added material will be added to the bonus section. Lastly, we have the legacy material section, which contains the older material used in the earlier versions of the course. I guess I should also introduce myself. I am Dr. Numan Azam. I teach in person and online. I love programming and teaching and has been doing this from the past 2 decades. I have been mentoring students in projects and research. I am super excited about this course. The original version of the course was published with no expectations. I had no clue. I was making changes and needed this into the newer updated version of this course. It's really not. In this version of the course, we have a more logical diagram. It's know of your feedback about the course and the newer version. Let us go through some advice to rely on elementary learning. Long gap based then on learner will be equal. It is better go practice time looking for variation abilities. There's an one. When this happens, the first thing it adjusting course builds on one another. Hello and welcome to the very program. This is going to be about Rust, such as its documentation, notes on installation, the installer itself, help, and other learning material. You will also find the community, which is useful for connecting with other Rust developers. It is a great place to share your codes and problems and get advice and input from other developers. It also contains information on recent events and conferences. Let me tell you one thing, the Rust community.
well, I already have Rust, so I'm just updating, but I think you can install it by this, I guess. Uh, so let's just terminal.
He is very welcoming. Since I am on the source, I will make the appropriate selection.
I already have VS Code.
I have already installed it, therefore it is not giving me the option of installing.
Rust Analyzer. I think I should have it, but let's.
I have already will, but for now that I have installed it.
Rust Analyzer I have. Let's also see what is all there by the publisher. Dracula theme official. No. We already have this.
May happen as the code. Okay, the first is by writing a command in the terminal. If the terminal is not opened by default, then you may open it from the view menu. Next, I will write the command rust c ---- version, which is the command to check the version of the
1.83. What is the latest version of Rust? Let's see. 1.83.0. Okay, so we have Rust updated. Hmm. Let me just check. I'm getting the audio correct. Okay, yeah, I'm getting the voice. Cool. Let's check cargo version. Just I know it's obviously I updated Rust, so it should be updated, but let's just check. 1.3.0. Yeah. Let's just uh, let's let's use the online compiler. Hello world. Hello world. it's a C type programming language. So like I think there are two types of programming languages. One that is C type where we use curly braces, and one where is like this is my definition. I don't know people actually call it that, but I think there's another type where it's Python type where uh the indentation makes a difference of scopes. I don't know what's happening. I think there was some cargo thing that we had to do in that. Just because of the video not getting loaded. Why is it not working? Fail to find any brother. Rust. Why the fuck is video not working? It's working for this. Uh, is it due to? I think it is due to screen recording. I think I should have to stop this. That's the only reason I can think of. Okay, I guess I'll end this stream because it does not work. I'll learn Rust on my own.